Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to repair a Bluetooth speaker, and I have with me here is a DigiTek DBS200. The problem with this Bluetooth speaker is there is no sound. As you can see in this video, I have connected the Bluetooth, but when we play the music there is no sound at all. No matter how much you increase the volume, but still there is no sound. Now let's check the radio if it is working or not. When we turn on the radio also there is no sound. Now let's check with the line in. Line in also same thing, there is no sound. So let's open inside and check. This may be some loose connection in the circuit. This black wire here is the radio antenna. Let's turn it on. When turning off the volume control, we can hear some noise. Sometimes it may be the voltage problem or low battery. When the voltage is too low, it makes the amplifier stop working. So let's check the voltage of the battery. When we check the voltage, we get 3.9 volt out of 4.2, which is normal. When we touch from the input pins of the output IC, we can hear a noise. This means something is wrong with the volume port. Now let's short directly with the tweezer on the pins of a volume port. Now you can hear the radio noise. This means we have to replace this volume port. So this is the volume port. It also has an on-off switch. But right now I don't have this kind of volume port which has both. So I will replace with this simple one and modify the switch. and these 2 points here should be connected to a switch. And for the switch, I have to drill a hole here. Now let's fit the switch. And let's give connection to the switch. Now that we have finished connecting the switch, so let's check. Now this Bluetooth speaker is working fine again. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel for more videos update.